Hey guys, I am ranked 548 in the world in Rapid. I hit 2511 rating around a month ago, but I was too lazy to create the video, so let's just hop into the game. I will show you how I did that. After a 2-minute wait, I'm actually here. So we are playing against a Serbian, right? Yes. I'm super happy I knew the the flag. Let me mute the tab because it's just annoying when the sound plays. You know what, guys? It took me three most important things to actually get this rating, and number one, it was tactics. Number two was end games, and number three was a little bit of opening knowledge. But you know what? I'm still super bad at openings. I mean, I don't know what to play here, and that's the problem. Of course, I have the intuition, I can figure something out, but overall, I don't know what are the best moves exactly, and that's the biggest problem. I think knight to d7 here is the best. What do you guys think? Because I would develop this. There's always this lingering threat of bishop takes f7 and knight e5. So I guess knight to d7 is gonna be the best. It's super annoying when they play those off the grid openings, when they play this weird stuff. I mean, no Grandmaster plays the f3 variation. I think it's called the fantasy variation. I mean, it's just not it's not my thing. I just don't understand how to play those things, unfortunately. Guys, really, if you are following me for a longer time, you know that it took me a lot of time to actually hit my rating and a lot of effort. And let me check if I'm recording, because okay, I'm recording, that's good. Oftentimes I just talk to a camera that isn't recording, and it's not good. Yeah, guys, I mean, no excuses, but I am playing on touchpad and I'm playing during recording, so I might play a little bit worse. Yeah, so coming back, guys, I think the number one thing that helped me was end games. It actually just, once you are good at end games, you are confident that whenever the game progresses, you're gonna be okay, because you will know how to play the end games. Very simple, right? Not many people like to train end games because they are boring, they are not, well, they are always unique, and they don't have a lot of pieces. There's no checkmates in the end games. And I believe that's the hidden thing. Like, you should actually learn the end games. That's where the secret of chess lies. Because look, every chess game is eventually, probably, if a perfect chess game is going to end up in an end game, right? If that's the case, then you should know how to, if you know the end games, you will know how to play them all the time. Am I not right? I think I am, but I'm always open for correction or argument. Guys, I'm not feeling good here in this position. I mean, I have this idea of queen to h4. That's the thing. Once you are good at openings, if you cannot only know the lines, you need to understand them and know the lines. For me, it's only understanding what I play, like having ideas, but unfortunately I don't know the lines, which makes it very difficult when we play in the f3 Caro-kann, because I just have no idea how to play exactly. I mean, I've never seen this position before, and my opponent probably has. h3 seems so off. Of course, we can go knight to g3, king to h2, and knight takes f1, and I have an exchange up. I mean, that looks super bad for him. But can't we finish this game earlier? I mean, is he like surrendering at this point? Because this move was so weird. What if I go queen to h4? I need to keep in mind my time, because on chess.com there is no increment. I don't understand why there is no increment. I mean, there is. You can play the custom control time, but you know what? On this rating, again, it took me 2 minutes to find an opponent. 2 guys aborted before me, before this guy, and yeah, you will just not find a game because there's on this rating there's not many people who will play custom. So we can only play 10 plus 0. Okay, time to focus. Queen to h4. What if he goes bishop takes f7? I shouldn't draw the lines, but I want to show you. Queen to h4, bishop takes f7, king to h8. And what about bishop to f4? Bishop takes h3, gf, queen to h3. Okay, that makes sense. Queen to h4. I mean, knight to g3, knight to g3, king to h2, and knight takes f1 is what I would do if I was very low on time, because that's just very simple, right? I mean, I'm literally an exchange up. This is GG. But yeah, I'm ambitious. I want to win quicker, right? Queen to h4, bishop takes f7, king to h8. Knight to d2, queen to h4, rook to f4, queen to e1, bishop to f1, knight to g3, king to h2, knight takes f1. I mean, queen to h4 idea is because I want to take, and yeah, just take on h3, but queen to h3. King to h8. c4. Okay, I have a... What about this? This, and this. Okay, and then I take. Okay, cool. It might be a mistake, guys. It might be a mistake because I might miss something, but you know what? I want to play accurately, so that's what I'm gonna do. I did not think about the obvious move. That's super stupid of me, to be honest. Alright, that's what I predicted. So now bishop takes h3 here. Queen h3, bishop to h2, and knight to g3 is what I see. And yeah, guys, I mean, I was supposed to highlight 3 things. So number 2 is tactics. You always need to play tactics. Solve them every day. I have this amazing app on chess.com. What? On my phone. But unfortunately, it's off power. Super bad timing, guys. I forgot I'm actually off power, but you know what? It's gonna open, don't worry. Oh, and the guy surrendered. Look how quickly it went. It wasn't the perfect game for the video. I did not expect it's gonna end so quickly. I have a game review for you. I saved it exactly for you. So you know what? You could maybe subscribe in exchange. And yeah, mute the tab. I hate the sound. D takes E, E5. So that's a book move. I'm super happy. Knight to D7 was good. Knight F6 was good. And here, unfortunately, I did not play perfectly, but I don't understand why exactly. So guys, when you don't understand why exactly you have played this move, turn on the analysis. Bishop to D6. Make the first statement about this move. What's the difference here? Well, number 1 difference is that it's actually attacking the opponent, right? And defending the e5 pawn. But I didn't like it because it was just in front of the queen. Of course, you can take on e5 and everything is good, but I just didn't... I don't know, I just didn't like this situation where the queen looks at the bishop. So I played bishop to e7. It's not a blunder. Whenever you have a safe move where you develop a piece or you castle, it's always gonna be a good move. Maybe not the best, but it's always gonna be a good move. And here he just went crazy. I mean, I took on e4, which was not perfect as well. They say knight to h5. So let's see why they don't like knight to e4. I mean, yeah, because you can simply attack the knight, right? And knight to h5 was the same idea, but the queen cannot take the knight out. And here, I mean, everything just went off. And because I do tactics on chess tempo that I'm going to show you, as you guys can see, you log in. never mind. You log in. Come on. Oh yeah, because there's no. You open chess tempo on your app. Faster, come on, faster. You click tactics. And you solve them, and you solve one after another, and this is so much better than chess.com because first of all, we cannot give chess.com a monopoly, and for real now, I know, I just feel like they're higher level tactics. Chess.com is just not as good as chess tempo. So guys, 3 a day, medium level, you need to do them. Otherwise, you're never gonna progress. I mean, you will, but it's gonna be a lot more difficult. And the game went very well. And guys, number 3, openings. Learn all the openings. French defense, Caro-kann defense, Sicilian defense, pirc, Ruy Lopez, Italian, Grunfeld, King's Indian, Queen's Gambit, Nimzo Indian, and Queen's Indian. That's all you need to know. You have some videos on my channel about the Caro-kann, for example, 23,000 views, very good for me. And yeah, guys, you wanna challenge me to a game? You want maybe coaching from me? I still have some spots for coaching, so you can just write a comment. And guys, thank you. See you next time. Let's hit 3000 rating blitz maybe one day, but no, it's not that important. I want FIDE. FIDE, I'm coming for you. Bye.